So that's kind of all the stuff you can do with the navigation. It can do a lot more things, but that's, you just kind of scratch the surface. So the next thing we're going to talk about is going to be doing a lot of those same things we just did, but by voice instead of by typing it in. So it's only going to let you type addresses in and things while you're sitting still. So if you're already driving somewhere and you wanted to get directions to somewhere else, you'd have to pull over and type all that stuff in, which you're not going to want to do. You want to just keep going. So your voice command button's right here. It's this little guy talking. When you push the button like
After
that,
the beep, say
she
a
has this little bit
shortcut
of an
menu
intro,
command.
and
Say help at any time for additional instructions.
it's going to beep, and that box is going to light up blue, and that's when it starts listening to you.
Pardon?
So it gets confused because it heard me talking, so I'm going to click cancel. It actually shows right on your screen the different things that you can say. So, I mean, depending on what you want to do, radio controls, navigation controls, everything's right there on the screen. And you can always say help or more hints, and it'll show you even more things that you can say. But I want you to enter your home address by voice. Now, typically we would have set up a home address as the go home button. So you could just push that button and say go home, and it'll get directions right to your house, but that's cheating. I don't want you to do that. I want you to do it the long way in case you're entering a different destination, okay? So go ahead and push your talk button.
After the beep,
and you're just
say
going to
a
say enter an
shortcut menu
address when it's your
command.
turn.
Say help at any time for additional instructions.
Enter an address.
Enter an address. Searching, Indiana. Say only the city name or say change state.
Carmel.
Carmel.
Fancy.
If that's correct, say the street name.
Sedgwick.
Sedgwick. If that's correct, say the house number using single digits.
13438.
1, 3,
Even though
4,
it says to
3,
say it in single digits,
8.
people will still say
To
1342
start guidance,
or something.
say
I mean, they'll still
start
do that.
guidance to see a map of the destination.
So I'm going to click cancel because we don't need to get directions to your house, but you would have just said start guidance after that. You ran right through that first try, so I mean, congratulations. I mean, it really is easy though, so it's not too difficult. On some of the other cars, you can train the customer's voice to the car. It works